What's up, guys? So here I'm back again. We're gonna work on the NNBS Silverado. I got a S&B cold air intake to install on this truck. It's pretty much gonna be the commencing of my the performance build on this truck. Basically, it's gonna consist of a cold air intake, long tube headers, wide pipe, muffler, and then lastly a cam, and then to top it all off, get it all tuned up. Alright, so here on the table I got all the parts laid out. Pretty much what comes in the kit. For S&B filters, I got the filter that gets oiled. It's this red one. They have two options. They have the dry filter and they have the oiled filter. I got the oiled one because you can pretty much wash this and keep on reusing it. You just got to reapply the oil. And the dry filters, well, they last a very long time, but you eventually have to change it out. Since you can't oil it, you can't wash it. For those of you interested in this kit, that's the part number right there, 75-5021. This is only for the 07 through 08 Silverados with the V8. So with the 4.8, 5.3, and the 6.0. I got the 4.8. So that's what we're going to be replacing today. I'm going to install that and we'll see how she sounds and how she looks. So pretty stoked about it. At the last step pretty much, which will be putting on the lid that goes on here, the infamous S&B design, that clear plexiglass that goes on top. So I'll get that on. Check that out. Check that out. So nice. They got the design etched on the plexiglass. Here you go. That's the final product, fully installed. Honestly, quality, fit and finish is amazing on this. I guess we'll start her up and see how she sounds. I'm inside the truck now. I'm about to drive it. You can definitely hear it now a lot louder. You can hear that really loud suction from that intake. It sounds really good, guys, so I'm just gonna have to show you guys how it sounds just to conclude this video. This is done in the streets of Mexico, as you know. Yeah, before it never sounded like that, so I mean, it just has a little Flowmaster muffler, but it never had that really deep roar from the inside. So there you go, guys. It sounds pretty good. Alright, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this S&B intake install, and just showing you guys how it sounds like and how it looks like under the hood. As you can see, it's real nice intake system. I highly recommend it. It sounds really good as well. And I know it's kind of hard to hear in the video, but in person, trust me, it sounds really well. But that wraps it all for our video today. Coming at you with Project La Rhino. This is my daily, basically my daily truck. I'm just trying to keep it looking clean and sounding pretty good. So I'll be doing my step-by-step process or progress, of pretty much performance and then exterior wise. Like I said, it's going to be cammed at some point. I'll be posting that stuff up. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting. And y'all have a blessed one. Peace.